SLS School System, the premium operating system for modern schools. Schools today are drowning in chaos. Parent communication scattered across WhatsApp groups, marks entered by hand into spreadsheets, fees tracked on paper, teachers stretched thin, and leadership flying blind without analytics. SLS brings it all together. One connected platform that runs the entire school. Academics, attendance, fees, parents, transport, well-being, all in one place. Built for the entire school, with 9+ distinct roles: super admin, principal, coordinator, teacher, accountant, librarian, transport, parent, and student. Each role gets its own optimized dashboard, multi-branch architecture from day one, granular permissions on every action, and a complete audit log of who changed what and when. Every student gets a 360-degree profile. Demographics, contacts, medical info, custom fields, a live timeline of academics, attendance, fees, behavior notes, and health. Multi-child families linked under one parent account. Document vaults with expiry alerts. Admission pipeline from applied to interview to enrolled. Transfer and withdrawal workflows with checklists. Attendance reimagined. Mark a class in seconds with one click for present. Exceptions for the rest. Period level or daily, fully configurable. Leave requests flow through approval workflows. Smart alerts catch patterns before they escalate. Pre-absences in a week, always missing on Mondays. Chronic late arrivals. Heat maps show coordinators exactly where to intervene. And now, the heart of the system, the timetable builder. Drag and drop subjects across periods. Real-time conflict detection on teacher overlap. Room clashes and subject load. Class-wise, teacher-wise, and room-wise views. Constraint-based auto-generation that respects every rule you set. The most complex part of running a school. Finally simple. But here's the feature that actually saves your school. The substitute teacher system. The moment a teacher calls in sick, the system finds available substitutes ranked by subject match, free periods, and workload. One tap to assign. The substitute instantly gets today's lesson plan, attendance to mark, and any teacher notes. Zero scrambling. Zero lost class time. Exam planner with terms, weightages, and grade scales. Marks entry that respects your time. Keyboard friendly. Bulk paste, import and export. Learning outcomes tracked alongside raw marks. Auto-generated report cards as professionally styled PDFs, with a teacher signature workflow and a comments bank to speed every term close. Fee management built for rural schools. Define tuition, transport, lab, admission, and installments in one structure. Partial payments, discounts on scholarships with approval. Late fee rules, receipts and invoices auto-generated as PDFs. Manual cash and bank deposits with proof upload. A finance dashboard surfaces overdue lists, top defaulters, and a forward-looking collection forecast. Parents finally feel informed. The mobile-first parent portal shows progress, attendance, fees, homework, and the daily diary. Announcements with read receipts, targeted broadcasts to a class, a route, or just unpaid families. RSVP events, digital consent forms, and messaging with teachers, with office hours and escalation rules. Teachers finally save time. A lesson plan builder with a reusable library. Homework with attachments and auto-do reminders. Quick behavior notes with positive points to keep it gamified. A today dashboard that puts the next class one click away. And class analytics that show exactly where students are struggling. Transport, fully integrated. Manage routes, stops, and student assignments. Drivers get a stripped-down app with a route list and pickup status. Parents see live bus status and child-boarded notifications. Incidents logged on the spot. And attendance ties into transport. If the bus did not pick up, the system flags it automatically. Library and inventory rounded off. Issue books, track returns, calculate fines and reserve titles. Manage uniforms and books with sell, issue, and return tracking. Asset registers for projectors and lab equipment, with maintenance schedules. Student well-being taken seriously. Permission-protected counseling notes. Incident reporting for bullying, safety, and discipline, with a workflow attached. Health records for allergies, medications, and emergency contacts, and individual learning plans for students who need extra support. Analytics that surface problems before they explode. The at-risk dashboard combines low attendance, falling grades, and unpaid fees into one early warning list. Fee collection forecasts, teacher load and timetable pressure views, parent engagement metrics, and role-based today dashboards for admins, teachers, and parents. And it all looks the part. Premium SchoolOS quality, not legacy school software. Dark mode and light mode. Command palette search. Fast filters everywhere. Mobile responsive. And every PDF, the report cards, the invoices, the attendance sheets, looks like the school you want to be. Built on a modern, future-proof stack. Next.js on the front. Nest.js on the back. PostgreSQL with Prisma. Redis for jobs and caching. S3 compatible storage. Real-time over WebSockets. Self-hosted, so the school owns its data. No vendor lock-in. Ever. And here is the part investors love. The platform is fully customizable. Every customer can request their own modules, their own workflows, their own integrations, and we ship them. School after school. Branch after branch. The same core engine. The same premium experience. Tailored to fit. SLS School System, the school's operating system, built by Rohan Zaki.